I am Crystal Jane Aspa, a hospitality management student from Bohol Island State University. We are required to interview a tourism or hospitality practitioner about their experience in the industry. Today, I'm here with Mrs. Melody Kasinsiman, a hotel assistant manager of the O Diamond Hotel and Restaurant. So, good day, ma'am. Thank you for giving me some of your time for this short interview. I will be asking you about the factors that you believe contribute to the growth of the tourism and hospitality industry based on your personal experience. So before we begin, may I have your permission to conduct and record this interview for our academic requirement? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So thank you so much. So let's begin. So first, based on your experience as a tourism or hospitality practitioner, what is the first factor that you think has greatly contributed to the growth of tourism and hospitality?
So the first factor I believe has greatly contributed to the growth of tourism and hospitality is the excellent customer service and hospitality.
Okay. So, thank you. And why do you consider this factor important?
As a hospitality practitioner, I believe that when guests receive warm and professional service, they are more likely to return and recommend the hotel or the other destinations that they go. And when positive guest experience good reviews and recommendations, it will help attract more tourists and customers.
Yeah, could you also share me a shared experience or example related to it?
Like when you have a guest coming over the hotel, then you have to be, even though you're not in the mood on that day, but you have to give your great, excellent service, smile to the guest, even though you're not in the mood. So the guest will be happy to come again in the hotel like that.
Okay, thank you. So second factor is moving in the second question. What is another factor that has strongly influenced the growth of tourism and hospitality based on your experience?
So another factor that has strongly influenced the growth of tourism and hospitality is the technology and digitalization.
Okay, so I see. Why do you think this factor is important in the tourism and hospitality industry?
Because the technology has made it easier for people to discover destinations, book hotels and flights, make online payments, and share their travel experiences through social media. Because as of now, today in our generation, we all know that we rely to all social media accounts.
And how has it affected your work or your experience as a practitioner?
It helps more um, fast and easy
So
for the work.
let's go to the third factor. For our third and final question, what is the third factor that has struck you the most based on your experience in the tourism and hospitality industry?
The third factor that has struck me the most is the improvement of our transportation and accessibility.
Thank you. And why is this factor significant to you?
As a hospitality practitioner, I believe that better airport, roads, public transportation, and other travel service have made it easier and faster for people to visit different destinations. When destinations become more accessible, more tourists can travel there, which increases demand for hotels, restaurants, and other tour services, especially in the hospitality.
So how does it help contribute to the growth of tourism and hospitality in your home?
Better transportation makes destination easier to reach, bringing more tourists and creating more opportunities for the tourism.
So thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your time, knowledge, and personal experience with me. Your answer have helped me understand more about the different factors that contribute to growth of the tourism hospitality industry. Once again, I'm Crystal Jane Espra, and I would like to thank Mrs. Melody Kasingsimam, the hotel assistant manager for the Dao Diamond Hotel and Restaurant. So thank you so much and have a good day.